welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Carmen Q, and today's video is going to be the first process video of updating my apartment kitchen. I just want to give a few disclosures. If you're renting and you want your deposit back, you don't want to do this to your place. If you're not concerned about your deposit, then you can go ahead and do this. But if you're not an owner and you feel like there's a good chance you get your deposit back, don't do this, because it's pretty much permanent. Once you put it down, if you try to take it up, it'll ruin the floor underneath. I'm not really concerned about getting my deposit back because I don't live in one of those apartments where I feel like they'll give me my deposit back. So I'm gonna make this apartment just fabulous to live in while I'm here. So yeah, I'll show you what my kitchen floor looks like now, and then I'll show you the process of what I'm going to do. Okay, you guys, this is my kitchen floor, and it's just this really ugly tile floor. The borders are just whatever, and I'm going to pretty much just revamp this whole kitchen in processes. These are the cabinets that are in here. I don't know exactly what I want to do for them. These are the countertops by the sink, and then these are the countertops by the stove. So they're completely two different tablescapes. Everything is kind of all over the place because I'm prepping to just be in here. But before we get started with this project, you are going to need supplies. So first of all, you're going to need the floor towel that you pick, and these are self-sticky vinyl towels, and the brand I got was Traffic Master. And this box is really heavy. I got the pattern in gray marble, and I got the $23, it was like $24 after taxes or whatever. It comes with 30 towels, so it comes with 30 of these in here, and I got two because I'm going to do the bathroom and the kitchen this color. So you need your towels, so you need your floor. Okay, and they have different flooring, so by all means they have like really nice wood, but I just wanted that one. You need cut resistant gloves, so you don't cut yourself. You need a blade. It's a utility knife, so you need one of these, and this one was $7. I got the gloves for $4.97, and you need a straight edge, and this was $4. I got the small one because, you know, the towel is small. Okay, so before you start toweling, you want to sweep your floor, and you can probably see mine hasn't been swept yet. I'm going to sweep, and then I'm going to mop, and then I'm going to start applying the towels. So yeah. laying the tiles down. My blade first. This is what the blade looks like, and has the little protector piece on it. And then you got your straight edge and your gloves. So now I'm going to put my gloves back on. I got cut resistance because I am very clumsy. So the first thing you want to do, okay. So the first thing you want to do is, let's say we're going to do one of these, we're going to do around the border first. That's where this comes in handy. So what you're going to do is you're going to push it to the very back by your border, and then you would take your straight edge here where you're going to cut it, hold this in place, where it doesn't move, okay, and get that first slit, and then make sure it's straight, like mine wasn't straight. See how I'm messing it up? But what happens is you keep going over it until it breaks like so, and then unstick it. And since I messed that piece up, I'll put the straight edge part on the floor, and then it peels up like that. And then you just stick it to the floor. Okay? And then you continue doing that until your whole floor is covered. Like, I mean, there are some imperfections in it, like that not being super long enough, and like this space in between my refrigerator. I don't know if I want to do that necessarily, but this is the floor in my kitchen now. Next thing we need to tackle is this right here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.